Hello, I'm heading out to another adventure in Sedona, Arizona. This time I'm doing something new. I'm going to sleep in my Jeep for the first time ever. Let's see what happens. Schnebly Hill Road is a rugged 12-mile trail that climbs through Arizona's Coconino National Forest. Sedona's side of the trail is quite touristy, with a lot of pink Jeep tours. It is also really bumpy and rocky. It will really test how you pick your lines, and it'll test your vehicle. Hopefully, you have air down. There's definitely a few landmarks on this trail. There's merry-go-round, which is basically a rock that looks like a merry-go-round. I had seen some pictures where people, I think, actually get married there. It's pretty cool. I have never spent the night in my Jeep before. It's going to be a little scary, a little exciting. Hopefully I am prepared for the frosty night. It is November in Sedona. It's going to be a little cold, but I can't wait to see what it's like. My goal is to find an epic dispersed camping spot away from all the touristy stuff. Somewhere hopefully by the edge of a cliff. I had done some research on Google Earth ahead of time and had spotted a couple of really epic camping spots. Hopefully I'll be able to get to those. If you really want to take in the view and the vastness of this trail, then there's Vista Overlook. It's an absolutely amazing, stunning spot where you can take pictures or just kind of take in the sunset. I believe a lot of these pink Jeep tours also turn around from this point on. So after spending some time around the Vista Overlook, I decided to start looking for my camping spot. I had to take an offshoot from the main trail. I believe it was 153A, and the trail actually got a lot more rockier and a lot more tricky and technical. So I had scouted a couple of spots that I was going to go check out, but because it was kind of getting late in the day, so I came across a spot and I decided to go check it out, and man, it was amazing. It was right on the edge of the cliff. It's a kind of view that leaves you speechless. As the sun went down, it got dark and cold pretty fast. I made a little campfire and it felt nice and warm. When I looked up, the sky was full of stars. And I had brought my camera with me, and it was a perfect time for me to hone my night photography skills. The morning air was freezing. It was crisp, but everything looked so beautiful. The sun made the rock glow orange, and I felt fresh and happy, even though I didn't sleep great. This was probably one of the best views while eating breakfast. I really enjoyed my time just hanging out there, drinking my tea. I packed up and decided to explore the area a bit more. There were a few more, the original camping spots that I had put in my guide GPS. I went and checked them out, and they were pretty epic spots for sure. I was turned off by some of the trash and broken bottles on the campsite. Probably the only time I caught myself shaking my head with disappointment on this trail. Time to head out. The trail took me through a forest of tall juniper trees. And I'm sure I'll be back.